Here, nice of you to join me, and a very warm welcome to my channel. It's lovely to have you here with me today. I have got a little bit of a walkthrough for you today of potentially another tutorial on my channel, and the way this project has come about is over on my group Memories, Papers, Arts. We have been starting having a book swap, so a memory book mini album book swap every month. And what that entails is that you put your name down, and then I use a random generator to pair everybody up, and I try to do it where, you know, everybody's happy where they're posting to. So if you're happy to post internationally, then you'll put your name down in the international group. If you're happy to post, you know, just into the UK alone, then you will be in another group. And you know, I try and do like the rest of the world as well. So I've kind of got about 3 different groups sort of trying to swap all at once. But that's good, that's lovely. Our group is worldwide, so it's lovely that everybody's joining in. So this is my swap book for this month, and I've probably gone a bit way overboard. I have to say, I just got carried away, and I just thought, right, I'm going to do a little suitcase for, well, I actually made the suitcase for another box, but I'll let you into the secret. I made the box but didn't measure the album that was going to go into it. So inevitably the album was too small, too big to fit into the box. So I had to then go back to the drawing board, and it was a case of, do I then just make a whole brand new album and to fit inside the box, which is what I did, because luckily all I'd used on the outside was this beautiful paper here. So I thought, I've got a fantastic Graphic 45 paper, which is the Couture one, and I thought it would just go perfect. So that's how it's come about, this box. So, and the box has got, this is not leather, this is just paper that I've used some distress inks on, and I've got this gorgeous texture paste, which is a clear crackle paste from Finnabair, and it just gives the amazing effect, because I just put it on quite lightly, and because with that you can heat set it, which makes it fantastic, because you've done it virtually within half an hour. So I've kind of done it that. Now this wasn't my idea, I did see it on another lady's YouTube channel with this effect, but it just works so fantastic with this particular suitcase type thing. Now my suitcase doesn't open from the top, mine is at the side, because mine is a rectangular box. So yes, mine sort of opens from the side, and I've got these lovely little closures here that do actually work, and you can open it out. Now my hinge on here, I've used construction tape as my hinge, but you could use actual hinges as well into the chipboard. So let me open it out, and you can see the album inside. So take it out of the box. I just love this box. Now you could go to town as well and decorate the inside of the box, but I didn't have, I ran out of paper. So this is my front cover, and I've 3D'd these little stamps here, if you could see them. And I've paper pieced again from the back to the front because I wanted this lady on the front of the album as well, so that's why she's sort of there. And then I've used the wax melts with the little wax seals with my logo in there on the back. So opening out to the first page, now the first page and the inside cover, I've just done a simple pocket in there that you can add a few more photo mats in there if you wish. And then this one, when we come on to the second page, I've done very similar to the Sea Dreams one, but this time I've used these lovely dies from Cool Cats, and for the life of me I can't remember what they're called. Oh, not sure. I've actually cut the name off. How irritating, Tamara. What I'll do is I will put a link in the description box down below in case you would like to have a look at those. So I've just used this with some magnets so they snap into place. Take them off, and then these ones just open out like that. So I've used some more of those lovely Cool Cats dies as my photo mats, and then this is a large one that you can put some journaling in. You can then add your own photographs in there. You just stick it onto the side, onto that straight away. So let me put these in the right place. That doesn't go. That goes there, and that goes there. And it's quite a substantial force on there. So then coming on to our next page, I've just done a simple flap over with a pull-out photo mat there with some more of those lovely Cool Cat dies, and then a little pocket in there with extra tags that you can then add different bits of journaling and memorabilia onto. And then I've just kept that just kind of plain, so it's just like a it looks a little bit like it would be like a file, but I just liked it like that element of it opening out. And then this page here, again, I've used a lot of Cool Cats dies. I've just done the photo slit, not photo slits, the page slits in these, and just to add my tags into. And then that one goes virtually all the way down to here, so it's quite a nice big pull out there. And then that was just the tag from the actual paper. And again, this one is a fixed pocket, but I've turned this one over and used that as a tuck spot underneath there so that you can pull that out. You've got that space there for some photos, and you've then put that over the top, and again you've got some journaling spots on that. I didn't want to back that because I just thought the back of that was just so divine. I didn't want to back that on to any card. And then you've got a nice long pocket there with another photo mat pull out there. But again, you can put small photos on the edges there. You can put small photos on there as well. So, you know, just because there isn't a photo point doesn't mean to say you can't put your photos on. So one of the stipulations in this month's swap was it needed to have a waterfall feature and in your book. So mine is on this. I've made mine actually into the page. So as with this page, I've done it as a file type page, but as you open it out, this page here, this part here, which is the top, this is the start of my waterfall. So as you push it over, then you get your waterfall elements there, like so. Okay, and I've left the backs blank because again you can add your own journaling. If you've got a white gel pen, that would look fantastic. If you did some journaling, some white gel pen onto the black, it does look really, really stunning. And again, I've got just a bit of a journaling spot on that side there. So, and these are all stuck together or held in place by magnets. So again, we come on to the next page, and I've used those photo slits again, or page slits should I say, and again just extra tags in those pockets. And then coming on to our next, it goes that way, our next page. Again, it is exactly the same as this page, but I've made it look a bit different because I've added this topper on the top of the actual file top. So this again, you could add some journaling onto that. But then open this out, and I've added a pocket in there with a photo mat. And then on this side, I had these little tiny pieces of paper that was left, and I thought, what can I use them for? Because they're too big to throw away. So I thought, well, let me just make them into some journaling spots. So that's what I've done. So I've just added some white card onto the back of those, and then they will make some fantastic little journal Heidi secret journaling spots in that little pocket there. So close that over, and then coming on to the back page, exactly the same as the front, with these lovely belly band type closures on there, which I've used with magnets. Now if you didn't want to use the magnets on both sides, this side you could have added a brad and had it just swinging over or up like so, and then you could have opened it that way. I think I just added them for easiness. So open those out, and you've got, then on this one I have used the biggest of the photo slot dies on there, and then added 2 extra there, and then extra ones on the flaps on the inside. So putting these on, and then coming on to the back, again that big large pocket there with a big massive photo mat, ready then for you to put in your photographs. And then that's all going to sit very nicely into its own little box, and we can close it up, and that's all nice and secure. Now I haven't again done anything on the box. You could put flowers on these, you could get use resin, you know, like the mannequins, you could put those on, lots of bling, lots of pearls, I think from the 1920s, 40s, all those pearls, lots of lace, things like that. I didn't want to go too overboard. I thought if the person that gets it, if they wanted to start to embellish, at least that they can do that if they wanted to. So that's why I've kind of kept that virtually plain. So I hope that you've enjoyed that little walkthrough. If you would like a tutorial on that, then please do leave me a comment in the description box down below. Please come and join our group, Memories, Papers, Art. It is a very friendly group, and we're all learning, so don't be put off if you are just starting out with learning how to make your own mini albums, because there are lots of people within the group that are starting out for the first time, and doing our book swaps is a fantastic way to get to hone your skill, because you're having to make a book for somebody, and it's really helped a lot of people in the group. So please do come over and join. We'd love to see, and we'd also love to see what you've made as well, because I don't very much get to see what people make with my tutorials. I love it when I do. It really does make my heart sing when I see other people have made with my knowledge. It really does, I just love it. So thanks again for watching. Whatever you're doing today, have a good one, and I will see you very, very soon on the next one. Bye. Oh, and don't forget, the links will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well. And if you want to, please share the video. It really does help. See you again. Bye.